Hey kids, how are you all? I find my happiness wherever the sun shines. So today I'll teach you how to trap the sun rays. Today in this video I'll be talking about solar cooker and how to make one. Let's begin. But before that, we should know what is a solar cooker and how it works. A solar cooker is a device which uses the energy of direct sunlight to heat, cook or pasteurize drink and other food material. Solar cooker is done by means of the sun UV rays. A solar cooker lets the UV light rays in and then converts them to long infrared light rays that cannot escape. Infrared radiation has the right energy to make the water, fat and protein molecules in food vibrate and heat up. For making a solar cooker, we require any shaped cardboard box. It can be square or rectangular. A roll of sellotape, a black marker pen, ruler, Fevikwik or Fevistick, any sheet of paper, straw, cling film. If you don't have cling film, then you can use thick sheet of plastic, a roll of aluminium. Over here, I have taken a rectangular box. Now, with the help of a scale, I will mark the boundary and the portion which is required to cut. You can see with the help of a black marker pen, I have made the boundary. Now, I will take a paper cutter and cut along the lines. Now you can see that I have easily cut the flap. Now this flap is ready. I measured my silver foil and now I will place it like this. The flap will be on the top side. Then I will fold the extra like this. No need to stick because we will be heating our eatables. So no need, and foil gets easily attached to the box. Now you can see when I open my box, my flap is covered. You can see that I applied sellotape over here. So the foil is stuck. Similarly, we will cover the lower portion of the box with the foil. Why? Because we will be putting our food items here. So we require to cover this with the foil. Now I will place this foil on the box. So I just took the measurement and I am exactly folding the way we cover our books. So I just took the measurement and I'm placing the foil and I've just cut the edges so that it looks neat and my foil is placed properly. You can see that I have covered the box with the foil and secured it with a sellotape, and even the flap is also done. Now we will cover this portion and we can place it on top of this box. And we will place the cling film over here, it on top of this. If you don't have cling film, you can use this type of plastic also. I secured it with the sellotape because it is transparent. So now you can see the deflection is coming. I'll just invert it and show it to you. Yes, this is the cling film which I secured it with the sellotape. We have nearly completed our solar cooker, but we can paint this portion or we can stick a piece of paper over here so that our solar cooker looks neat. You can see that I have painted the portion with black color. If you don't have black color, children, don't be sad. Just paste any sheet of paper. Now to open this flap, we require some latch like thing. So I just took a small strip of paper, folded it, and now I will stick over here so that it becomes easier every time whenever I want to open the flap. Now you can see that I have pasted this strip of paper on my flap. Now, whenever I need to cook something, I need a support for my flap so that the sun rays can come directly over here and can cook my flap so that the sun rays can come directly over here and can cook. Give my flap a support. I am using a straw which I can place it over here and just fix it here so that my flap remains open and my food gets cooked here. I took one straw and I measured the required angle to open my flap. So for that I am folding my straw from the top, which I will place it here, and with the help of sellotape I will secure it. Yes, it is secured now, and now I will take the other end and just fix it over here. Now you can see that my straw is fixed. Now for closing, you can just pull this straw like this, place it here and close the flap. It is secured. Now children, you can see that I made 2 solar cookers. This is with a bigger box. I have used the foil over here and the foil down, and this is the plastic sheet. The mechanism of solar cooker totally depends upon the availability of the sun. So we have to try it out during the daylight. And we need to be little patient as it takes longer time compared to our electric ovens. Now children, let's check whether this solar cooker is working. So what I did, I placed a slice of bread on top of that. I topped it with chopped tomatoes, capsicum, sauce and little bit of cheese. Now let's see whether it gets baked. I placed my solar cooker on my terrace. Few minutes you will observe little vapor forming on your sheet, and you'll see that the cheese is melting. Finally, the cheese melted. Yippee!